Hey there, Bobs. This is Terry V. Jones coming to you live on today with another marketing strategy to grow your brand, your reach, and your revenue. I'm having a little technical difficulty on today with my internet service, but hey, the show must go on, okay? So what I want to share with you today is another concept when it comes to email marketing, okay? To be seen and heard with your emails. And the way you do that is by having these 5 elements in your welcome email, okay? And as far as statistics are concerned, when it comes to your welcome email, 58% of welcome emails are open, okay? So if you have 58% of the people who have visited your website, who have decided to join your email newsletter, to join your list, okay, and they come, you send them a welcome email, you want to make an impact, okay, so that you'll continue to have that relationship to where you'll build that know, like, and trust, become the expert in their eyes. So when you offer a product or service to them, it's like, hey, I just got some new product I want to share with you. They're going to want to purchase that product because you already done built the relationship. So the things that you want to put in this particular welcome email, okay, the first thing you want to put in, make sure you have your logo in there, okay? It's all about branding, in your email, just like your website has your logo, your Facebook page, you want to brand, okay? The second thing is you want to have your location, okay? If you're brick and mortar, definitely want to have your address, your phone number, your email address, and a link to your website. Even though they joined you from the website, if they decide to share this email with someone else, then that person can actually see your website address in there, because they may just have gotten an email and from somebody say, hey, take a look at this. Okay, so you want to have all those credentials in there. The second thing you want to do is have a graphic in there, okay? You want to have a nice image. So if you're into clothing, basically you want to have some nice dresses. Like right now, it's springtime. You want to have some springtime dresses, hats, all those types of things, okay? Or say you're an author. You want to have some books in there that you have written. You want to have some testimonials that is in an image format, a graphic, okay? You can make that graphic using a Canva. Of course, it's Canva, it's free. And then you can also use Unsplash. If you don't have any graphics that are eye-catching, high quality, then you can use Unsplash to get a graphic to put in your email that you're sending out, okay? The next thing you want to have in there is a fun fact about you and your business, okay? So one of the things that I like sharing with people when it comes to, just say for instance, my kneeling prayer pillows, okay? Here in Jacksonville, I am known as the Pillow Lady. Okay, everywhere I go, it's like people, they may not know my name, but it's like, oh, that's the Pillow Lady, because I've been selling kneeling prayer pillows since 2006. Lots of people have bought those pillows from me, and so that's how I'm introduced by others who have purchased my pillow, and they may see me at different events. Then also, I'm known as Grandma Chicky because of my grandchildren. I do a lot of YouTube videos and different things with my grandkids and workshops and stuff like that. And so I'm known as Grandma Chicky. So something like that, you can put in there. It's like, did you know how I even came about, what my business name or whatever it is you want, some kind of fun fact about you as a person and your business. So there's like, oh, wow, I didn't know that about them, okay? That's building that relationship, getting them to know you as if you sat down with somebody with a cup of coffee and y'all just chit-chatting, okay? The third thing you want to do is, like, because I do have basically a prayer pillow business, I can put in there a scripture, okay? You as a business person, you may want to put some type of motivational quote in there so that that person, will want to continue, on their journey, of whatever they're doing as a business, or whatever it is they're doing as a person, and whatever it is that they have come to you for, something in line with that. Okay, so in line with my business, I would share a scripture, okay, because of my kneeling prayer pillows. And so I can let them know, hey, look forward to receiving from me, maybe every 2 days, once a week or once a month or something like that, motivational scripture, something along those lines, so that they'll want to open up your email. Okay, so that's the purpose of putting motivational quotes, or you can put jokes in there, for those who into that type of thing. You can put that, or you can put what's trending in there to kind of keep them in the know with what's going on in the industry that you're in. Okay, because we have an insurance agency. And so in those newsletters, we want to let them know what the government is doing when it comes to Medicare. Are they cutting, are they increasing, or what have you? So the people want to be in the know, okay? And so the fourth thing you want to have in your newsletter is links to all your social networks that you are affiliated with. If you are on Facebook, put a link to that. Instagram, your YouTube channel, wherever you are, you want to make sure that they're able to connect with you, and then they're able to see, it's like, wow, this person is like everywhere. She's the stuff. She's the expert. If she's in all these different places, that means she is giving some value to somebody in all these different platforms. So that will help to build that know, like, and trust as well. Okay. And the last thing I want to share with you is that you will want to have in that email, that first welcome email, is how to, tips or some type of strategy. So in line with me having a prayer pillow business, okay, I also wrote a book, Let's Talk to the hand that heals, delivers, and sets free those who pray without ceasing. Okay, so I can let them know, hey, look, I have this book in there that teaches you how to pray when it comes to needing strength, when it comes to needing power, when it comes to forgiveness. Okay, and so you want to share those types of things, some tips on how to continue to have a relationship with somebody after you've divorced and y'all have children together. Okay, and so just depending on what your business is, you're going to want to share some type of tip. Okay, if you have an event planning type of business, what you can share with them tips on what to do an hour before your guests arrive. Okay, how to have a simple decoration where you just grab some things from the Dollar Tree or something, some kind of way, letting them know, hey, look, I have the high level, the high end of getting your event looking all great and professional, but then here's some other things you can add to what I'm bringing to the table just from the dollar store. And so they'll love you for that. They'll refer you to other people because of that. Okay, and so those are the things I wanted to share with you, to be seen and to be heard when it comes to emails. Okay, is for you to have a welcome email that is going to contain everything in there, and also let them know, hey, look forward to getting more emails from me where I'll be offering you, coupons, discounts, flash sales, and all those kind of things. So you want to, kind of prepare them, because you don't want them to just get whatever they sign up for, and then all of a sudden you offering them something, and it's like, oh, I didn't know they were going to be offering me, books and, coaching and stuff like that. So let all of that be known up front. Okay. Just like when you meet a person, it's like you want to know. It's like, okay, I'm not gonna even go into that. But anyway, that's bottom line. When you have your welcome email, you want to make sure that it makes an impact on that person, so that they'll open up your next email that you're gonna send them. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can post them below. If you don't have an email autoresponder, I use Traffic Wave, I use MailChimp, I use Aweber, Get response. And so all of them work the same. Okay. And so if you're like, I'm not sure how to create a template, I'm not sure, about emails that I need to set up, I can help you get some emails already set up and lined up. Put in your email campaign so they go out automatically. Okay. And the only emails you want to do is like broadcast out some, thing that you want to broadcast out. But basically, Terry B. Jones coming to you again with another marketing strategy to grow your brand, your reach, and revenue with email marketing. Okay? Talk to you on next Wednesday.